We have been wishing for Cebu's homegrown food to be present here in the UAE. At nangyayari nga ito. Napag-alaman namin na ang BNP Cafe actually now offers our favorite Cebu Ngoyong and Cebu Steamed Rice Dim Sum. So we tried them. This is the Steamed Rice Dim Sum ng BNP Cafe. So let's try this. And this is beef. Sana kalasa niya yung Cebu Steamed Rice Dim Sum. Pasok siya sa ingredients. Medyo natusta lang yung pagigisa niya. You've got the rice. And let's taste it. Ang init pa oh. Masarap siya, kaso medyo matigas lang yung beef at saka kulang siya ng lasa ng star anise. Pero masarap siya. And you need to try this. The next one is the Cebu Ngoyong. So I expect na ang laman nito, it has 5 spice taste. Tinikman ko yung sauce niya. Yung sauce niya mismo, it's manghang. So okay na okay siya. Bamboo shoot yung ginamit nila. It has actually the scent of the 5 spice, but I don't know how much they put. Nakulangan ako sa 5 spice. Masarap yung timplada, it's just that kulang siya ng 5 spice. So far na-enjoy ko naman yung crispiness niya. Yun lang, 5 spice lang talaga ang kulang sa loob. Kasi this is actually a revelation of the Cebuano food dito sa UAE. First time magka-ngoyong and it needs to really taste like ngoyong. So ngayon, tikman naman natin yung chicken pastil. According sa BNP, ang chicken pastil recipe nila ay ginaya nila sa chicken pastil namin sa Wandering Cucina. Ang titikim nito, si Chef Mark.
Ito yung chicken pastil ng BNP. I requested the Java rice. May itlog siya na half sa taas and then yung chicken pastil. Nabango siya, amoy pastil. So check natin. Yung color niya medyo napuputlaan lang ako. Ewan ko lang, baka okay naman yung lasa niya siguro. But tingnan natin. Siya. Yung Wandering Cucina, medyo yung naprito na sa mantika yung meat niya. Pero ito, malambot yung chicken niya. Yung ginger rin nandun.
Kulang lang sa toyo.
Naka siguro garlic. Yan na lang ng garlic. Mas prepare ko yung plain rice kaysa sa Java rice.
So ito na yung pangalawang ngoyong na in-order namin because we enjoyed it. We enjoyed the crunchiness of it. Sobrang init. So freshly fried siya. Namiss lang namin yung ngoyong. I-try nyo. Dapat yung ma-experience ang Cebu kahit hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng Cebu by tasting ngoyong. At saka yung sauce, maanghang talaga siya. So don't be surprised na maanghang yung sauce kasi it's always maanghang. Pleasant lang yung flavor, hindi maalat. And it has the ngoyong touch although konting yung 5 spice lang. So guys, enjoy it here sa BNP Cafe. Ako si Chokoy of Wandering Cucina. On behalf of Chef Mark, stay cool, stay safe, stay blessed, and peace.